What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about American Airlines. This whole past week it's been going up, and I honestly think it's a bull trap. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly why. You might be wondering if it might be a good time to buy or if you missed out. I'm going to be showing you guys my personal opinion now on the screen to show you guys whether if you want to buy or not. All this information is always free. All I ask is if you could just take 5 seconds of your time, hit that like button below. It really helps out this channel, especially since it's new. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. So let's get on the computer right now, and I'm going to show you guys step by step of my play when buying American Airlines. So you might be seeing American Airlines, and for this past whole week it's been going up. Probably every day you see it go up about 15 to 20%, and it's been uptrending for the most part. But I do think it's a bull trap. I do think we're not at the bottom yet. The reason it's going up is with the stimulus package, and they're just pumping up the news. I personally think we have not hit the bottom. I think it's going to downtrend after this week. I do see it hitting lower lows. I'm going to be showing you guys my price targets and why I believe it's going to go lower. If you see here the S&P 500 SPY, we're going to go here to the 180-day chart. We're clearly in a downtrend, right? And this whole little pump up basically is from the stimulus package of $2 trillion that we're going to be receiving. Even residents, people are getting a bit greedy here, and they want to start like filling in their whole positions. But what this really is a bull trap. It gets people FOMO. FOMO is like a term that a lot of stock traders use. Fear of missing out. Once people see this, they're like, oh, I have to get in. I'm missing out on the whole thing. But that's the rookie mistake to do. Once a lot of new buyers get in here, we're going to see a bigger drop. Boom. My targets for S&P 500, I personally see it hitting 200 and 180. I do think this package did help the market for the most part, but if we really want to see an uptrend, what we're looking for is not just straight up. It doesn't happen like that. What we'll most likely see, if we're confirming an uptrend, we might see it hit 167, might see it hit 148, and continue going like this. This is an uptrend here. Hitting resistance, support, breaking resistance. Or I could even show you another example. Going down here, the support level, and breaking this. That is an uptrend. I personally think we haven't hit the whole bottom yet. If you haven't bought yet, there's still going to be an opportunity to buy lower. I could be wrong. You know, you never want to listen to a random person on YouTube. You can make your own predictions, your own research, do your own due diligence. I do think by the next week, market makers are going to pull out from the market. It's going to drop hard, and I think we're going to be seeing the 200 and 180 mark. When we see the 200 and 180 mark is when I'm going to start loading up my positions long term. We might see a little lower. Around this level is where I plan on buying. I don't mind if we drop even lower. I do think by the end of summer we're going to start seeing a growth and increase, and I think most likely this will be all over. For the most part, nobody's traveling right now. All the airports are empty. Countries are on lockdown. The stimulus package does help out all the hospitality industries, but it's not going to resolve the whole issue what we're having now. A lot of people are losing their jobs. There's no reason for it to keep uptrending. There's no reason. They're not making any income. They're just basically on support from the government. So I do see it going lower after this. My price target for American Airlines, I think it's going to hit 1088, 1043, 997, 941, and even it might touch 851. 851, I'll start loading up a lot more positions, but I'm going to buy in increments little by little. Most likely start buying at 1043, 997, 941, and 851. If we see 851 here, it's a really good idea to load up a lot of positions if you want to go long in American Airlines. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of history as far as the bailout goes, because a lot of people think that this thing's going to continue uptrending. In 2008, from the recession, we actually had a bailout of $700 billion. You can see it's something very similar to what we see here with the S&P 500 now that we have, right? Dumped completely. The whole package came out. The bailout of $700 billion, people started buying it, uptrending, all for it to being a bear trap. So then it just dropped off here and hit the lows of here. is something very similar to what we're seeing here, and expect lower lows for the S&P 500. Like I said before, just a recap, I expect the S&P 500 to hit 200 and the 180 mark. At that time, it would be great to start loading up your position. Everything, is it too late to buy? I honestly think it's not. I think it's not a good time to buy at these high positions of $17. I do see it going lower at the 10 mark up to 8 mark. You can start buying little by little at those target price levels. Hopefully this video helps you out, whether if you want to purchase American Airlines or not. I personally am going to wait a bit till I see what's the real bottom of this. I do see it downtrending after this week. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next video.